Hey everyone, Tim here. You guys want to see it? In the last video, I saw a couple comments saying you guys want to see a Subway Surfers gameplay with commentary. Well, after the commentary, I did vote, and 3 people voted yes for a commentary. I ain't getting no votes. Anyways, I guess the whole point of this video is to talk to you guys while I do the gameplay, and yeah. That's really all for this. I just want to talk to you guys while I do the gameplay. Anyways, let's get started anyways. Not wasting any more time. So, like, to be honest with you guys, I was thinking about doing this live, and then I thought, you know what? Not really gonna see it live, so. And for some reason, my live, anytime I do a live, if I do a live, won't upload, I don't think, so. Well, lives are only one-time thing. You're not gonna see them after they're live. After they're live, they're done and they're gone, unfortunately. The point of this is that I'm make sure my phone doesn't overheat while I'm doing this, which will be kind of hard to do. But I'm gonna try my best. The video initially ends and I don't do my outro. The phone overheated then. Unless I decide to do an outro and make it done quickly. It's because my setup that I record in is very hot. During the summer, the room I'm in. I could have done it in the main room, but when my dad's home, I can't really do it in the main room. My dad's home because the video wouldn't be postable then. The video wouldn't be good for you guys or me, so. Yesterday, the whole point I had to talk spastically throughout the whole thing was because of how hot it was in the room. I was already sweating really bad in the same room that I'm in right now. And it was kind of late at night. I want to talk about has been or hello as much as I can. Now, if my dad doesn't go out, I might do a live today. I don't know. I might. Just because I want to. And I kind of enjoyed the last live. Like a lot, so I don't know. I should put it to a vote, but I know I put it to a vote. I'm saying should I do a live? A lot of you are probably say yes. Which, in opinion, which makes sense, honestly. Makes a lot more sense that you guys want to say yes to a live that I would obviously be hosting, so makes sense. What else? If you're wondering why I've no other point of content on my videos lately, that's just because I don't know if you want to see that. I'll put it on my channel anyways, but what else? I like putting up polls for video ideas because then I can see what you guys want to see more of or what you guys want me to do. Like, so when I have a video idea that I think is good, you guys could check it out and to check it out, you know. I want to say that my Hate Everyone video has 1.4 thousand views. That is the most views on my channel. On my channel, the video titled, the video that says Hate Everyone has 1.4 thousand views, which is literally insane. I'm just surprised that that video even got 1,000 views. It wasn't even really anything too cool or important. It was just a video that I was doing. But you guys liked it, so. Okay, by the way, really related to someone. I forget who you said. No, I don't even know who that person is. And that was like a mean thing. Then thank you for sticking up for me. Saying I thought you related to Michael Ham. Thank you for saying that. In case you, I don't know if that's standing up for me, but I feel like it was. I don't know if that's a mean thing. I didn't look it up or anything, but if it was, then thank you for standing up for me. Cause you did. If I do a live, I might turn into a Q&A. Just because a Q&A might be kind of fun. How fun? I have no idea. Honestly, I don't really say really much of like, I would say I do like the subscribers that I'm getting. 132 is what I checked last time, so thank you for that. They made a goal and it was like 150, was it? I don't even remember, but I'm pretty sure it was like 150. Which makes sense, because I'd be halfway to 200. I'm just surprised I even made it this far, to be honest. Really did enjoy a live that were there when I did the live. Thank you. I'm glad you enjoyed it. I enjoyed it, so whoever else did, because I definitely enjoyed it. My first ever live, so it was kind of special. Also, I'll say for this video, I've been just doing this for like, I just thought, hey, you know what, maybe we should just, you know, talk for a bit and see what happens. If I might get a little too hot, so, you know, I don't have to take into consideration. Do you think maybe wondering why my voice sounds like this? This is because I'm just a little, like, tired, but I'm alright. Just a little tired. I'll be fine though. I mean, you guys are like the best audience I could ever ask for, honestly. Like, I'm literally just happy that I have some of you who enjoy my content and enjoy what I do. Because if I have you who enjoy my content and enjoy what I do, because I enjoy what I do, and if other people do, and other people enjoy it, it makes me happy that people enjoy my content and what I do. When I thoroughly enjoy my content. Will I be giving out my social media information? I wouldn't usually, but I wouldn't mind giving out my Instagram so you guys follow me. If you guys wanted to. But, you know, I'll do it one day. I don't mind giving out my social media, but, you know, like, people just wanted it. I don't know if people wanted it. I don't know if they wanted to troll me or something, but, you know. I also really have I don't even post on there. I have them to say I have them. So sorry to the point if you wanted to like talk to me. I don't use social media to talk. So you're wondering if you talk to me on social media? Probably not. I don't use it very often. I mean, if you try to talk to me, I might say like hi or something, but not like I won't talk to you excessively. Probably not. I was wondering if I'm single or not. I am single. I'm not dating, so probably but I'm not for different reasons. Like one of the biggest reasons is because I really just don't have time to. But if you don't have time to make time, well, yeah, I would, but I'd rather do this than. But yeah, I think I went. But I think I can't do this then. I enjoy doing this a lot more than anything else in the world. Well, actually, yeah, I enjoy doing this more than anything else in the world as of right now. So dating is not a big thing to me. I just don't really feel like I need to. But yeah. I don't know why you want my social media, or one person wanted my social media. I mean, you want my Snapchat, which I don't know why. Not sure you knew I had Snapchat, but you did. If you want my Snapchat, I think it's Tim Ham 2024. If you need that again, I'll tell you my Snapchat one more time. Tim Ham 2024. Wait, no, not 2024. What? Is it 2024? I have no idea. Actually, you know what? Before I start it, give me a minute. There you go. Either add me or just talk to me. There you go. There you guys go. There you guys have it. So you guys, add me wherever. If it's half Snapchat, if you want to add me, I don't know. Well, I swear to God, don't text me excessively because I way too many people. And I'm not a very talkative person. I'm very shy when it comes to talking to people. Except when I'm on YouTube, I'm not as shy. I'm a shy person, guys, so. I'm a shy person. What we're gonna do is run and then, end it off. Well, guys, so. Again. Although, thank you so much for watching. If you guys finish watching, if you guys want to see more, please let me know in the comments below.